Depending on only one source of income can be risky. If that income stops, your financial situation can become stressful very quickly. That's why many people try to build multiple income streams. Multiple income streams mean earning money from different sources instead of only one job or business. In this video, I will explain in a simple way how beginners can start building multiple income streams step by step. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share practical ways to earn online and grow your income. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to explore tools and platforms that can help you to start different income sources. By using the description links, any special offer or bonuses they will be applied automatically. Now let's first understand the idea. One income stream might be your job or your main business. Another income stream could be something you build on the side. The goal is not to do everything at once, but to slowly and new source of income over the time. This makes your financial life more stable and gives you more freedom in the future. One of the easiest extra income stream to start is freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or web design, you can offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can work in your free time and get paid for your skills. Over time, this can grow into a strong side income. Another option is creating digital products. Digital products can be ebook, template, courses, printables, or stock photos. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it many times without extra cost. Platforms like Gumroad or other online marketplaces, they allow you to upload your product and sell automatically. This becomes a semi-passive income stream because after the initial work, it can continue with the less effort. You can also build income through the content creation. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or social media page around a topic you enjoy, they can turn into income through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to grow, but once you have an audience, it can become a powerful long term income stream. The key is consistency and providing useful content that people like to watch or read. Affiliate marketing is another simple way to add income. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products using special links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can share the affiliate links in your YouTube and the blogs, emails, or social media. This works well when you recommend the tools or products you already use and trust. Investing can also become an income stream, but it usually needs more learning and some starting capital. Things like dividend stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, they can generate income over time. However, beginners should learn carefully and understand the risk before investing money. It is better to start small and grow your knowledge step by step. Another good idea is starting a small online business. This could be dropshipping, print on demand, or selling handmade or sourced products online. With the help of platforms like Shopify or marketplaces, you can build a business that runs mostly online. Over time, this can grow into a major income stream if you treat it seriously. The most important thing is not feel overwhelmed. You don't need to start 5 different income streams in each month, but begin with the one small side income that matches your skill and time. Once it becomes stable, you can add another. Step by step, your income sources will grow and you will become less dependent on only one source. In short, building multiple income stream means using your skill, time, and tools wisely to create the different ways of earning. Freelancing, digital product, content creation, affiliate marketing, investing, and online businesses, they are all possible options. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand how to build multiple income streams in a simple and practical way. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to use the link in the description to explore useful tools and platforms. And special offers, they will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video with more easy strategies to grow your income online.